What? No, I fart when I'm nervous.
Yeah, nervous about lying.
Sorry.
Boy, I love Mebburger. There's something about their mediocre food that really makes my stomach rumble.
Doesn't look like close contact with a Koopa Snoot did it any harm.
So you feel good now that you have it back?
No, hungry. And when the plumber gets hungry, the plumber gets pasta.
Whoa!
Oh.
I swear. Huh? What? Who said that? Chinese cupcakes. Chinese it is.
His taste of food or water.
For justice. That was my fist.
同じなのに違う？なんか不思議。不思議のリンゴの森ってこと？お腹すいた。でも結局水色リンゴは見つからなかったね。ああ、安心したらお腹すいた。
Anything I want? SpongeBob, do you think we could get something to...
Stop burping and stop. Never realized how bad it was. Have you eaten today, son?
What was that? It's my tummy.
Whoa, stop it! You're gonna attract another predator!
But I'm hungry.
Will you
No, no, no.
Sorry, Pac. No snacks until after the performance.
Aw, but how can I sing on an empty stomach?